Have you ever wondered what makes you alive? I mean, a rock is real, but it's not alive. A tree is alive, but your chair definitely isn't. Today, we're going to unlock the secret checklist that all living things share. And trust me, at the end of this video, you'll be able to tell instantly if a thing is alive or not. Life on Earth began around 3.5 million years ago with tiny single-cell organisms. Over billions of years, they evolved into the mind-blowing variety of living things we see today, from microscopic bacteria to the blue whales. But no matter how different they look, all living things follow the same basic rules of life. Here's the tricky question. How do we know something is alive? Biologists remember the characteristics of life with the acronym Mr. Ninja Card, where M stands for movement. All living things can move parts of themselves. Animals walk, fly, or swim. Plants turn their leaves towards sunlight or open and close flowers. Every tiny cell can move internal parts around. R stands for respiration. This is how living things release energy from food molecules. It's not always breathing. Even small single organisms respire without lungs. Respiration is the energy power station of all living things. N. Nutrition. All living things need materials for energy, growth, and repair. Plants make their food using sunlight through the process called photosynthesis, while animals eat plants or other animals. Without nutrition, there is no fuel for life. I. Irritability, also called sensitivity. All living things respond to changes in their environment. We move our hands away from something that is hot. Plants grow towards light. Bacteria move towards nutrients in the water. So basically, irritability involves the ability to respond to changes in the environment. G. Growth. Every living thing increases in size and often change shape. A baby elephant grows into an adult. A seed grows into a tree. Growth uses materials from nutrition in order to happen. E. Excretion. Life produces waste products that must be removed. Humans exhale carbon dioxide and passes out urea. Plant releases oxygen and drop dead leaves. Without excretion, waste would poison the cell. R. Reproduction. All living things make more of their own kind. This can be through sexual, involving two parents, or asexual, one parent making clones. Without reproduction, a species eventually disappears. But reproduction makes it possible for life to continue. C. Competition. All living things must compete for the available resources in the environment in order for them to grow. A. Adaptation. Over generations, living things change to survive better in their environment. A camel's hub stores fat for desert survival. Polar bears have thick furs for cold climates. Basically, adaptation is the ability for living things to change in order to survive better in their environment. D. Death. All living things eventually stop functioning. They die. Death is the part of the life cycle of life, making way for new life. Anything that ticks all these boxes during its lifetime is alive. From the tiniest bacterium to the largest elephant, every single living thing follows Mr. Ninja Card. And the most fascinating part, even the simplest living cell is more complex and organized than any machine humans have ever built. So what makes you alive? Movement, respiration, nutrition, irritability, growth, excretion, reproduction, competition, adaptation, and eventually death. This is the full characteristics of life. If this video has helped you understand life characteristics better, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your classmates, and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss our next lesson. We would explore the classifications of living things. Thank you very much. See you in the next video.